How to plant a Red Star Taro as an ornamental plant for beginners. Ornamental taro plants are a group of plants of the genus Caladium or Taro Araceae. This ornamental taro plant originated from Brazil forest but has now spread throughout the world. Characteristic of the taro plants in the form of the leaves are shaped symbols of the heart, unlike the triangle, oval, round to elongate. The base of the door is notched. The edges of the leaves are flat and there is a grooved or jagged with varied leaf color that is light green, pink, dark red, purple, brown, blackish, dark green, purplish green, yellow white, silver and color combination. The taro plant leaves are usually slippery because it carries a layer of wax. There are different types of taro ornaments such as Red Star Caladi or Red Star Caladi, Bicolor Taro, Rodent Taro, Black Jacket Taro, Skull Taro, Donkia, Rye Torn, Giraffe Earrings, Caladi Funnel, Taro Polka Green, Taro Army Look, Tricolor, Caladi Tato, Taro Bald Velvet, Taro Green Velvet, Variegata Taro, Dream Fantasy Taro, Taro Puppets, Taro Joker and Taro Bachelor. But the type of ornamental plant taro that is often planted is the type of Red Star Decoration Taro. This type of tile decorative Babacac and their red wearer above. This type of decorative taro is very easy to plant and easy to adapt to various types of soil. This Red Star tile type is very easy to find and the price is quite affordable. But you can also plant other types of taro. Here's how to plant and care for ornamental plants. 1. Nursery tanning breeding. Bigot Caladi ornamental Red Star obtained from tubers taken from plant breeding. Take some of the bulbs furthermore cut into pieces. After that, place on a wet and moist until the buds sprout. If the shoot has grown as high as more than 5 centimeters, move the seedlings to the planting medium that has been prepared. 2. How to plant taro ornamental. Prepare planting media in the form of a mixture of soil and manure or compost with a ratio of 1:1. After that, plant the seedlings that have been prepared to the planting media until all parts of the tubers covered. Next, do watering for moisture planting media. When the plants experience a period of growth, do the fertilization. Fertilization is done every month. During the Patwine make sure the planting medium is always in a humid state. If the dorm begins to wilt at 7 to 8 months after the growth period, let the soil dry for 3 to 4 months. Over time the leaves of plants will die in stages beginning with leaf shrinkage. Later all the leaves will die. Even though the leaves are gone, the plant will not die forever. Umbia can save water so that when it rains, plants will have the leaves back. 3. Treatment of ornamental crops. Red starchy ornamental plants can grow in soil conditions that are not too wet but still done regular watering. Watering is quite done cycler in a day. Watering is done to the media planting not kidoya. These tamarind plants should also be placed in a place that is fully exposed to the sun's red color in leaf veins more strengthened. Perform replacement of pots or repotting if the taro plants are quite dense and reduce the beauty of the plant. Remove the taro from the pot and clean the planting medium, then separate the taro into several parts and plant it back into the pot containing the new planting medium. New taro in repotting placed in the shade for a week. If it is normal, then move to a place in full sun. In addition, do the treatment in the form of weeding and weeding if necessary. Do also fertilization by using manure or compost fertilizer after planting the age of 4 to 5 weeks. So our video how to plant ornamental Red Star flower plant as ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the video we present can benefit all of us. Also follow our next video post at 6 p.m. every day. See you and thank you for visiting our channel.